In order to use this Cosmo propane range and oven, please follow these instructions. First, let's start with the oven. There are instructions written right here above on the hood vent on how to get the oven going. Essentially, it is these two knobs on the right. The far right knob is used only for putting it in convection mode, if you desire that mode, or standard mode is off, regular bake mode, or light, if you want the light in the oven, the light bulbs to come on. In order to light the oven or ignite it to get it up to temperature, you press this button in, you'll hear a clicking noise, and then you turn it until it stops. Do not force it. It will continue to click until it senses heat from the propane, from the flame. Once it senses heat, it will stop the igniter from clicking, and then gently turn this to your desired temperature. Please be careful with this. We've had folks break it by forcing it. You'll be responsible for the cost to replace that if you break it. If you'd like to use any of the burners on top, what you do is you find the corresponding burner with the picture. So this one is the front right burner. You press it in and you'll hear it clicking, and then you turn it. If you let go right away, it will stop. It's not sensing that there's any flame present. This is a flame sensor. This is the spark or the igniter. You'll see when I press this in, let's see, you can see that white tower causes a spark to happen, but no gas is coming out until I turn this knob. Let me zoom out a little bit. As I turn the knob, it ignites, but I let go of the knob and the flame goes away. So how do you fix that? You press in to get the igniter to go, step one. Step two, turn it till there's a flame, wait 5 seconds. It needs to sense that there's heat, let go. So again, let's do that on the back right burner. Press in, turn, there's flame, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let go. Works fine. Let's do that on the front left burner. Press in, turn, let go. A little less than 5 seconds, but you do have to press it for a little while for it to sense that there is heat present.